What's up, guys? Welcome back to Consumer Sherpa. In today's video, we will cover the best pasta maker. So welcome aboard. Did you know you can make delicious homemade pasta right in your kitchen? But this requires the best pasta maker. We've rounded up the best pasta makers to help you narrow your choices to the ultimate pasta maker for your kitchen. We've included more information in the links in the description below. Without wasting time, here are the top 5 picks for the best pasta makers. MARCATO Design Atlas 150 Pasta Machine. This MARCATO Design Atlas 150 pasta machine is the most appreciated pasta maker from the MARCATO product line. For one thing, it has nickel-plated steel as its material, making it very durable and excellent performing. Its rollers are made from an anodized aluminum alloy. Although the combs and scrapers are acetal-made, they still perform phenomenally, and this only adds more excellence to the already impressive performance. This pasta maker rolls and cuts pasta dough into 3 shapes. To be more precise, this pasta maker lets you make lasagna, fettuccine, and tagliolini. More impressively, it allows you to make lasagna of various thicknesses, ranging from 0.5 to 4.8 millimeters. But it makes 6 millimeter thick fettuccine and 1.5 millimeter thick tagliolini. Also, this machine rolls 150 millimeter wide pasta dough for 10 thickness settings. Of course, the thickness options range from 0.5 to 4.8 millimeters. As a result, it delivers consistent texture, taste, and cooking time with this performance. Therefore, it's the best pasta maker for consistent cooking results. When you opt for this product, it comes with a pasta machine, a pasta cutter, a hand crank, and a clamp. And this allows you to make pasta right after unpacking this pasta maker. You can connect a pasta drive motor to this pasta machine, although this is an accessory sold separately. Also, you can buy 12 pasta cutting accessories for variously shaped pasta. But again, these accessories don't come included in the package. However, this machine is not dishwasher safe, but it cleans if wiped clean with a dry cloth or brush. iSiLER 150 Pasta Machine. The iSiLER 150 Pasta Machine is an excellent choice for making your spaghetti, fettuccine, and lasagna among a few more pastas. To begin with, it features 9 thickness settings ranging from 0.3 to 2.6 millimeters, and it features a regulating knob to select your preferred pasta thickness. Because of this control, you can achieve a refined texture and flavor. Besides offering 9 thickness options, this pasta maker gives you 2 width options, 2 and 6.6 millimeter options. These options might not provide more adaptability, but they still come in handy to allow you to make different pasta dishes for everyone in your home. Before preparing the dough, you want to secure this pasta maker to your kitchen table surface. And quite frankly, make sure this pasta maker is straightforward with the table clamp included in the package. You can then roll out the prepared dough slices from the thickest setting option, working your way down to the preferred pasta thickness. When your pasta is thin enough, use the pasta blades to cut the dough sheet. What's more, this pasta maker features food-grade aluminum alloy. Also, its rollers and cutters are easy to clean. However, these components aren't dishwasher safe. But if you're looking to prepare ravioli, fettuccine, spaghetti, and lasagna, this is the best pasta maker for your cooking needs. KITCHENAID Gourmet Pasta Press Attachment. If you want to make fresh pasta taste much better, this KITCHENAID Gourmet Pasta Press Attachment is what you will need. Powered by your KITCHENAID stand mixer, this gourmet pasta press does the hard work for you due to its automated operation. Also included in the package are 6 quick change discs. These discs are for making spaghetti, bucatini, rigatoni, fusilli, and large or small macaroni. Therefore, this pasta maker is versatile enough to make various pasta meals. Besides making 6 pasta types, this gourmet pasta press also has a reputable design made from stainless steel. This material is high quality and helps make this pasta maker last longer and work better. Additionally, this pasta maker has a built-in wire cutter, giving you control over the pasta length. These features make this the best pasta maker, especially for anyone looking to make different pasta. However, this gourmet pasta press doesn't work with some mixers, but it works with all KITCHENAID stand mixers. OXGORD Pasta Maker Machine. This OXGORD pasta maker machine is the best homemade pasta maker for all your delicious spaghetti, linguine, and alfredo. It makes angel hair and al dente pasta excellent, which you can eat with your preferred sauce. This unit features a roller that prepares whole wheat dough into a pasta sheet. What's more, you can adjust this roller through 7 thickness settings. Also, this pasta maker features 2 noodle style settings. Therefore, it makes your pasta perfect for a delicious meal. The stainless steel construction brings elegance and makes this pasta maker durable. But more importantly, it makes this pasta maker perform phenomenally. Precisely, the roller and the blades are stainless steel made for exceptional performance. Also, these parts are dishwasher safe. This pasta maker features 3 blades. You will select the correct blade for your preferred noodle style. Once the roller has made the pasta sheet, the blades cut it into ravioli, tortellini, and lasagna. Also making cleaning even more convenient is the removable crank handle. And this unit comes with holes pre-drilled for the table clamp. So this is the best pasta maker for various types of pasta. But it also has its fair share of drawbacks. However, one drawback that stands out is that you might find metal shavings in your pasta after using this machine more than 5 times, as one user reported. Philips Pasta and Noodle Maker Plus. The Philips Pasta and Noodle Maker Plus also features an automated operation. So that means you have enough time to shape your pasta sheet into your preferred noodle style. Also, the automated process makes this pasta maker make authentic homemade noodles. It does all the work for you since it mixes, kneads, and extrudes pasta. And the result of this fully automatic performance is fresh, flavorful pasta. Also included in the package are a floured and liquid cup. Use these cups to add the ingredients and let this pasta maker handle the rest. This pasta maker also comes with 4 shaping discs. These discs allow you to create various pasta and noodle styles. You can make spaghetti, fettuccini, penne, or lasagna noodles with the shaping discs that come with this machine. The pasta cutter works efficiently, while the cleaning tool also included ensures you clean your pasta maker after using it. Since you get a recipe for 20 different pasta dishes, you can also try out different ingredients. This pasta maker has dishwasher-safe parts, making cleaning easier. It even features a storage drawer for your shaping discs and cleaning tools. So if you want the best pasta maker in your kitchen, you're better off with this option. Besides, its steel and plastic materials make it durable and perform excellently. However, some users complain that cleaning with the cleaning tool is not easy, but it's still a great option all the same. That's the end of the best pasta maker review. You can support our channel by purchasing from our affiliate links at no cost to you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.